Have you ever looked at your life and realized you stopped chasing your dreams for someone who isn't even there anymore? It doesn't happen overnight. One conversation becomes two. Two become hours. Hours become days. Slowly, without realizing it, your goals move to tomorrow, then next week, then someday. And one day you wake up and discover that the person you sacrificed your time for has moved on. But your dreams are still waiting exactly where you left them. The painful truth is that most people don't lose their dreams because they aren't talented. They lose them because they become emotionally distracted. They start believing that one person is more important than the future they once promised themselves. They stop studying, they stop creating, they stop building, not because they wanted to quit, but because they thought that person would stay forever. But here's the question no one asks. While you're waiting for someone to reply, who's working on your dreams? While you're checking your phone every few minutes, someone else is reading one more page, learning one more skill, editing one more video, and getting closer to the life you once dreamed about. Your future is built by what you do every day, not by who chooses to stay. The hardest lesson in life is realizing that forever is a promise no human can guarantee. People change. Situations change. Feelings change. Someone who once called you their whole world can become a stranger. That's why building your entire happiness around one person is one of the biggest risks you can take. Love is beautiful, but it should never become a prison. The right person will never ask you to abandon your future. They will clap when you succeed. They will encourage you when you feel like giving up. They will never become the reason your dreams stop growing. The truth hurts, but it also sets you free. Time is the only thing that never comes back. Money returns, opportunities return, even confidence can return. But wasted time never does. So stop chasing validation. Start chasing the future you once promised yourself. Build your mind. Build your skills. Build a life so meaningful that losing one person never means losing yourself.